Left lane for the win. John Diddler.
Look out now, look out.
Look out, look out, look out.
Look out, look out.
Look out. Hey, y'all, hey. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel. Hey, y'all, let's hit them likes. Let's hit that like button. Hit that like. Paul? I got all colors, a lot of colors. Okay. How long you gonna be here? Okay. Pretty Tona and King Gartone. Look out, what's up with it? Bearded Barber just came from TikTok to my YouTube channel. He just gave me a like. Look out. Did you press the subscribe button when you came too? That subscribe button. That's a good button to press too. That's a good old button, I'm telling you. Cause I want you to be notified every time when I go live, man. I be going live all the time at good races like this. Make sure you dollar me Gusto. What side y'all want? Y'all think which side gonna win this one? Right side, a lot of people betting with the right side. Let me go over here and look at the left, see if I can change some of their minds. Listen to this thing pop like that. Sound like a... So I do like when I like that. Hold on, let me go over there. Hey, ooh-wee, what side y'all got this time? What side y'all got this time? I just started a poll on TikTok. Y'all pick a side. Y'all want the left side, Turbo, or y'all want him? Y'all picked the wrong car. The internet picked the wrong car. Y'all picked the wrong car, man. Golly. That's why he ain't got time for social media, y'all. Cause the old man don't play. That old man don't play. He ain't got time to get on show. He trying to whoop turbo cars with nitrous. With 2 bottles in there. I was trying to figure out why he ain't have no time. I don't have time for YouTube. Okay, I see why you in the garage. He in the garage, y'all, trying to figure this shit out. How the hell I'm gonna beat a turbo Dwayne Biddle? How the hell I'm gonna get in front of him? He love that button too. Y'all see how he was playing with it? Ah, I like that too. He know I like. He don't know I like it, but I like it. Hey y'all, I want y'all to play with y'all nitrous button. Like, you know him?
Can't do that, bro.
Oh, okay, y'all.
So I wish I had one.
Yeah, play. I want y'all to play with y'all button like he play with his. Yeah, do that. So I can smile. I want to grin and shit. Yeah, I want to grin. I like when they hit that button like
I'll
that.
bring you beer.
He must got a big old motor in there.